Hey, what's up, guys? It's me, Dead Voice. I'm gonna tell you how to make a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. Okay, so start with you need some stone. You need smooth stone, and you need red. Blue, white, orange, green, and yellow. Okay, so orange. So to start with, we're gonna do the red side first. So make it like 6 foot high. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and place a red block here. Destroy the thing, because then we need to make it float. Okay, so to make it, you need to do this. This 3 times, and then get a stone block and make a smooth stone. Then get like 3 layers of red. So 1, 2, 3, and then three smooth stone up. So 1, 2, 3, and then 3 layers of red. 1, 2, 3, and then get your smooth stone all the way here, and then do that, and then go up by 3, and then skip 3 spaces. Go up by 3, and then do 3 layers of red. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And then get your smooth stone all the way right here. And then go up by 3 spaces, skipping these 3 blocks. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And then fill up these. Here's what you did in the bottom. Okay, so now you did the red space. So 8 more colors to go. So the next side, we're gonna do the blue side. Okay, so put this in the middle. Oh, and then destroy this. And then go 3 layers. 1, 2, 3. And then build one in the bottom of it. 1, 2. Do 3. And then go up by 3, and then go 3 blocks by 3 rows. 1, 2, 3. And do the same thing. And put these blocks together, and do this like an H, but with these, and then fill it up with these. then get your smooth stone and go all the way and do the same thing you did in the middle part.